Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about our new lesson, and the name of that lesson is The Little Girl. Now I have taken this lesson only because this lesson is going to be asked in your examination, which is going to be taken by government. Otherwise, we have completed only 2 chapters in English. The first one, the poem, at the same time the first lesson, and in the same way the second lesson and second poem. But the test which government is going to take, into which they have included 3 chapters, and that's why today in this video we are going to discuss that chapter, and the name of that lesson is The Little Girl. Now as from the title you can come to know that this chapter is talking about a girl. Okay, why? Because the title is like this, The Little Girl. But what actually is there in this lesson? First of all, let us discuss, and then after we will talk something more about this lesson. Now one more thing that I want to tell you is that in this lesson we are not going line by line. Firstly, I will explain you the summary of the lesson which I have made, and then after discussing the summary, we will start the discussion of question and answer, so that you can find it easy in your lesson how to give the answer of particular question. So let us start the discussion. First of all, summary, what is there in the lesson, and then after we will continue with our question and answer. So in this particular lesson there are 2 main characters. The first one is Kezia. Kezia is a little girl on whom the whole lesson is written, and the second character of this lesson is her father, and he is shown as very strict father. Now as you know, the character of our father is definitely very strong, okay, very strict, and yes, it is bound to be, because he is only the person who looks after the whole family, okay, and that's why in this chapter also the father of Kezia is given us like the traditional father we all have. It means very strict and very realistic person, and because of his strict behavior, Kezia is very afraid of his father, okay. That is only the reason that Kezia is not feeling safe with her father. Why? Because he is very strict, and you know that if your father is strict, may be possible that you are afraid to talk with your father, and the same case is with Kezia. So here we are going to learn something, that no doubt fathers are very strict to us, but at the same time the care that is taken by our fathers cannot be taken by any other man on this earth, okay. That is the main thing, that is the main message that this lesson wants to give us. Very interesting lesson this is, and I hope that you will like. You can also relate this story with your own. Why? Because it talks about the relation of the child and with his father, okay, and we can relate our own story with the same story, because the character of father that has been shown here is a traditional father. Traditional, that means particularly that is of India. Now you know that in India our fathers are very strict, okay, and not only that, but he is only the person who looks after the whole family, and that's why he has all the rights. So in this lesson this kind of thing is given to us. So now let us start what is there in the lesson, okay, so that you can get some more idea. So here I have taken the summary. Let us start the discussion of summary. You will get the whole idea of this lesson. So Kezia was a little girl who lived with her mother, her father and grandmother. So Kezia was living in a family where father, mother and grandmother is there, likewise us. She was afraid of her father and used to avoid him, because he was strict person. That's why she used to afraid of her father. She used to feel relieved on seeing her father go to his office, and when she feels relief, only when her father was at the office. That is only the time that she can be able to enjoy. And the reason is very clear to us. What is the reason? That her father was very strict. That is only the reason. Kezia was so afraid of her father that she shuddered in front of him. And to that level that she was afraid of her father, that whenever she faced her father, she stuttered in front of him. It means she could not be able to speak properly even when she wanted to talk with her father. He appeared to her as harsh, rude, and critical. Likewise, she also felt the same kind of thing. Her grandmother wanted her to understand her parents. No doubt, this is the work of grandmother, okay? That she tried her what actual her parents are. See, it is not that if your parents are very strict, they are not loving you. That is not the thing. They are loving you, and that's why they are very strict to you. And this is the thing that the grandmother wanted to understand the Kezia. In the procession of the lesson, we will see whether it is possible for her or not. Her grandmother wanted her to understand her parents better and would ask her to go to the drawing room to chat with her parents, okay? And grandma request Kezia that you should go to the drawing room, you should chat with your parents, you should talk with your parents. But see, you can find here that because she is afraid of her father, that's why she couldn't do this. But she found them indifferent towards her, okay? It means their parents, Kezia's parents, would really not like to talk with her. This is actually not the thing, but Kezia was feeling like this. Now one day, what happens? Grandmother suggested that she should prepare a pin cushion for her father's birthday. It means the father's birthday is coming, and grandma suggested Kezia that Kezia, you should prepare a cushion for your father's birthday as a gift. Okay, you can give anything to your parents; they will definitely accept it with all the happiness. Now Kezia did the same, but there was a mistake that she made, and what she did, see, Kezia stitched the three sides of the pin cushion casing. She did it very well. Now she wanted to stuff it with something, okay? Something is missing into her cushion, and that's why she needed something, and she wanted to stuff it with something. In her mother's room, number 6, the bed table, she found many sheets of fine papers, and in order to fill the stuff, what she found out some of the papers were there into the bedroom of their parents, and they were very fine sheets paper. She tore them off into the small pieces and filled the pin cushion and stitched the fourth side. So finally what she did, that by tearing those papers, she filled it in the pin cushion and stitched the fourth side, and this is how she made a cushion for his father's birthday as a gift. By mistake, she had used the very papers which contain her father's very important speech for the Port Authority. And the mistake that was done by Kezia what is that mistake? That the papers which she tore was very important for her father, as he is going to deliver a speech for the Port Authority. Now as you know that what is going to be happen if very important papers of your parents are teared off by you, definitely your parents will get angry on you, and the same case happens with the Kezia. What happens? See, though she accepted her mistake and tried to explain the reason behind it, her father was too angry to listen to anything. When her father comes to know about this thing, that Kezia had told all the important papers of him, definitely what he did, he got angry on Kezia, and even he not listened anything and punished her with a ruler on her palms. He also punished Kezia with ruler on her palms. Now see, this is not the cruelty that the writer wants to show us, but this is, and Kezia's father punished her with the rulers on her palms. The main thing that the writer wants to show us is that the parents are not cruel to us, but yes, sometimes they have to. Why? Because we do the something like that, because of that thing our parents have to get angry on us. Okay, so if your parents are beating to you, if your parents are telling something to you, if your parents are keep suggesting something to you, this is not the thing that you understand that your parents don't love you, but because they love you too much, that's why they keep suggesting to us, they keep scolding to us and many things. Okay, so the same thing is here that we can find. What happens next? See, she failed to understand the punishment meted out to her when she had already accepted her mistake, and Kezia did not get anything why her father punished her even though she already had accepted her mistake. She couldn't get it. But yes, when the time will go, she will come to know that why her father punished her. Not only that, but as she is a child, okay, maybe she is a teenager, that's why she could not be able to get okay with her parents. There are many possible reasons. And at last, because her father punished her, what she said, bitterly she said that, what did God make fathers for? Okay, this is only the reason that God make father. Okay, so this is a very bad line used by her because she did not know the importance of parents in her life. But in the procession of our lesson, at last, finally we come to know about the importance of parents in our life. Not only that, but even Kezia also come to know the importance, the love of her father towards her. Now let us go ahead with our discussion. One evening, she saw Mr. McDonald's. He is a neighbor, okay, playing with his 5 children. So the neighbor was playing with his 5 children, laughing and enjoying with them. And this convinced Kezia that all fathers are not alike. Now, if your father are strict and if your neighbors, your friends, father is not that much strict, and you can see something like this that he is playing with the children or and everything, definitely you also feel like this, that my father should also be like this. And the same thing happens with, the same feeling happens with Kezia. And that's why this convinced Kezia that all fathers are not alike. And after seeing this scene, Kezia comes to the conclusion that all fathers are not alike, means all fathers are not same. Some are loving and caring like Mr. McDonald, and some are cruel like her father. And the conclusion was like this, that some are like Mr. McDonald, very enjoyable, very loving, and on the other hand, some parents are like cruel like her father. And this is the conclusion made by Kezia. Then what happens? See, but soon her attitude towards her father also changed. This was the attitude till now. But one incident occurs with her, and after that, her attitude towards her father gets changed. What was that incident? Let us see. One day, her mother had to be taken to the hospital, and her grandmother accompanied her. Okay, because of some reason, because her mother got ill, she had to be taken to the hospital, and her grandmother accompanied her. So in the house, we can say that only Kezia and her father was there. Kezia was left alone in her house with her dad. The day was fine, but night was a different issue because Kezia had frequent nightmares at the night. ઓકે, એટલે કે એને રાત્રે દુઃસ્વપ્ન આવતા હતા, ખરાબ સ્વપ્ન એને આવતા હતા. She woke up in the middle of the night screaming as she had a horrible nightmare. So this night also she had a horrible nightmare. She was weeping out of a fear. When she opened her eyes, she saw her father beside her bed. She was weeping of fear, but when she opened her eyes, she saw her father beside her bed. Okay, because at home no one was there. Grandma and mother was at they were at the hospital, and nearby her bed only her father was there. When she opened her eyes, she saw her father beside her bed. He carried her to his bedroom, and made her warm and comfortable on his bed. Okay, so here we can see the love of father for her daughter. What he did, he carried her to his bedroom. Not only that, but also made her warm and comfortable on his bed. Because Kezia was frightened, that's why the father was doing, or you can say that making her comfortable on his bed. Father told her to rub her feet with her legs and set them warm. This was a suggestion given by the father. She felt very safe and comfortable with him. And after this incident, she felt very safe, very comfortable, very lovable with him. Okay, so father is father, parents are parents. No doubt they are scolding to us, no doubt they are keep suggesting us, but this does not mean that they don't love you. So keep in mind this thing, okay? This is a relatable story to you also. Finally, what happens if it was now that she realized that her father was not all of a giant? So it is at this time that she realized that her father was not a giant at all. Okay, he is also a very likable person, lovable person, and not the cruel person. That he loved and cared for her in his own way. He was taking the care of the daughter and the whole family in his own way. Okay, some are showing love and some parents never show the love towards children. Every parents have their own different way, and here we can see that thing, that he had to work the whole day to provide for his family and was too tired by the evening to play with her. Now she come to know about that thing, that father has to work hard in order to provide everything for the family. Not only that, but even the father has not even enough time to play with the children. So at the end of the lesson, the attitude of Kezia towards her father totally gets changed. So the lesson that we can learn from this is that even though your parents are very strict to you, don't make a mind that they are not loving you. Instead, they are loving you very much, and that's why only because of your well wishing, they keep suggesting you so many things. They keep telling you many things. They keep we can say that scolding you many times. That is only the reason. So never disrespect your parents. Love them with all your heart, because only your parents are those kind of people who always, I am using the word always, who always wish all the luck for your life. Otherwise, no man cares on this earth for your good or bad. Only their parents are there. So if your parents are very strict, just accept them as they are, because this is their own way to love you, okay? And that is only the reason. Otherwise, no one can love us on this earth as the love of our parents. Always respect your parents. Whatever suggestions are given by your parents, do follow it, okay? That is the main thing. If you are going to follow the parents' suggestion, definitely you will be on the path of the success. Otherwise, your life will be ruined. So this is the message that this lesson wants to give us. I hope that you understood this. Now let us come to the discussion of the question and answer, so that you can get proper ideas about how to write the answers of this lesson. So let us start the discussion of answering the questions. So here is your first question. Question 1. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? So as you know that Kezia was afraid of her father because he used to talk to her harshly, okay, every time, and he was in a habit of finding out her mistakes. That was only the reason that Kezia was afraid of her father. Actually, he was not cruel. On the contrary, he loved his daughter very much, but because of something, okay, her father used to talk to her harshly, and he was in a habit of finding her mistakes out. That's why she was afraid of her father. Now question number 2, who were the people in Kezia's family? So as I have told you, there are 4 people. First one, her grandmother, her mother, her father and herself. So total 4 members are there. Question number 3, what was Kezia's father's routine before going to his office and after coming back to his office on Sundays? So we haven't discussed, but in this answer we are going to discuss the routine of her father. So here you can see he used to kiss Kezia casually before going to his office. So this shows some love. Next thing, he would ask for the newspaper and tea after coming back from his office. So this is the second thing, that after coming back to the office, he used to ask for the newspaper and tea. And on Sundays, he would take rest. He would enjoy sound sleep on the sofa. This was the routine of Sunday. So this is how you can write the answer for this question. Next, our next question is, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? So what was the suggestions given by the grandmother? So you can write the answer. As I have discussed, we already have discussed that Kezia's grandmother sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk with him. Besides, she asked her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday. So grandma suggested to chat to get some healthy discussion with her father. Not only that, but also she asked her to make a gift of pin cushion on his birthday. Our next question is, Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? So here you have to write down that incident. Which incident? That in order to make the cushion, what Kezia did, she tore up very important papers which belonging to her father. Okay. So here is the answer, that Kezia used to be afraid of father because her father talked to her very harshly. One day, her grandmother told her to make a pin cushion to gift him on his birthday, which was approaching. Kezia took it an opportunity to please him, so she stitched cotton cloth 3 sides and looked for the things that could be stuffed into the stitched clothes. So something is missing in the cushion, and that's why she found out many sheets of paper from the room of her parents. Actually, they contained her father's speech for the Port Authority. She tore them into the pieces and stuffed her case. One day, when her father looked for the papers, he did not find them. After some time, he came to know that Kezia had tore them into the pieces to make a pin cushion. He got infuriated and beat her with a ruler. Thus, her efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. So this is how you can write the answer for this question. Our next question is, Kezia decided that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. McDonald, and how was he different from Kezia's father? So here you can compare and contrast Kezia's father with Mr. McDonald. As you know that every time he was very angry, and if we talk about Mr. McDonald, he used to play with the children. So here you can show that thing. So this is how you can write the answer, that in Kezia's opinion, her father was very harsh. He did not talk to her affectionately, but rather he used to speak to her strangely. Okay. So she avoided him. She did not want to be in front of him because she was afraid of him. Moreover, her father never spent time with her. So this is the opinion of her own father. Now what was her opinion about Mr. McDonald? We can see here that McDonald family lived next door to her house. One evening, she saw him playing tag is a game, okay, જેને આપણે પકડદાવ કહીએ છીએ, with his children. A baby was on his shoulders and two little girls were hanging on his coat pockets. They were laughing also. She saw some boys turn the house on MacDonald and he tried to catch them laughing all the time. She found them feel friendly with their father, so she wished if her father were like them. So here we can compare and contrast that Mr. MacDonald and the father of Kezia was more different person. Not only that, but also she was afraid of her father. Our next question is, how does Kezia begin to see her father as human being who needs her sympathy? It means, what was that incident which changed her opinion about her father? So as you know that one night Kezia had a nightmare which made her too terrified. She was crying out of her fear. When she woke up, she found her father beside her bed with a candle in his hand. He asked her what the matter was. When he came to know about her nightmare, he blew out the candle, bent down and caught up the child in his arms. He carried her to her big bedroom. He laid her on her bed and pulled the covers up around her. Apart from this, he lay down beside her. So here you have to describe the whole incident, okay, when Kezia's grandmother and mother was not there and only her father was there at the home. What actually happened, you have to write that. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm and held tightly to his shirt. Now she felt comfortable because she had a nightmare. She was very terrified, and because she found her father with her, she got comfortable, and her father told her to rub her feet against his legs and get them warm. Now Kezia realized that her father was not as harsh as she thought, okay? Her attitude towards her father was totally changed. She realized that her father had to work all the day long and got so tired that he could not play with her. She realized that her father wanted her to understand his compulsion. At bottom, he was very good person, and at the same time, he was also a loving person. So this is how the attitude towards father was totally changed at the end of the lesson. So we have this much questions in this chapter, and only from these questions, some of the questions are going to be asked in your paper. So best of luck for your paper, and we will continue our syllabus with the remaining lessons. So we will meet soon. Till then, take care and thank you.